Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from September 24th. First, I want to announce that my new Midjourney course has finally launched. I've been working on this for months. There are 71 lessons across 12 steps to take you from a beginner to a Midjourney master. You can complete this course in under 3 hours. The tutorials are efficient and effective. I'm so proud of the results. Again, if you're interested in learning everything I know, please check it out in the description below. Okay, on to the recap. The main things they're working on are version 7.1 and version 8, as well as some new style exploring features and user profiles. They'll do a small community ranking party around styles. Apparently this will help them build better style algorithms. David said there's a lot that can be done there and they want to poke around a bit. They also have something new they're working on that is going to be like a style creator or a style finder. He isn't sure what to call it yet, but he loves the first iteration they have, and he thinks it might even end up being one of the default ways we use Midjourney. And he thinks we could see it sometime within the next month, but don't hold your breath for anything from Midjourney, okay? We'll see it when we see it. David said he thinks there's also too much happening on the Explore page right now and thinks they might move toward more of a mixed feed. I'm not really sure what that means, but he said it might even start to look more like a social media platform, although he wants to avoid all the negative parts of modern social media, so again, I'm not really sure what to expect there. He said there will be a new personalization interface eventually that will be faster and easier to set up, but it might not appear until version 8 though. 7.1 is testing right now. He thinks it's better but also different, and he's worried that some people will complain about those differences. But he did say it has better prompt accuracy and slightly better omni-reference, so that's cool. And he still thinks there's potential for a much faster draft mode. I don't know how that could be possible. Draft mode is already really fast. David said the V8 training is going well enough, but he is curious about what will happen when they switch to the new dataset. He did mention that there is a less ambitious possibility for version 8 that is up for consideration. They want to have a big launch, but maybe it's just not feasible. I don't know, I guess he just left that as a little bit of a warning. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. It is my glow-in-the-dark mood board. Aren't these amazing? If you want to try this yourself, use this code --P XI8 U7L3. All of these videos were made by members of my community, the Future Tech Academy. If you want access to my new Midjourney course and over 190 of my other mood boards, please consider checking us out in the description below. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.